Thomirenkuma Prof PLO Lumumba ugeta Kenya imbe guru ya kindureyo na ati tiomba gukura mwankane ndikironda kidira kirende ne echukuru ya Meru National Polytechnic na ugite utongera bwa yani ndibo ina uburina omana uheru ubone ndibo mba kwidira wedera kia ukuria mugongo nini ngone durani teronru. Wakili uregweta po kadhande ni andikura Kenya na kinyome ya Kenya nwe Prof Lumumba kana PLO Lumumba na kinyete chukuru ya otea ya Meru National Polytechnic na rareriti mungi manto iya gyotongeria. Awete Kenya ni remete gweta na mbere nontubathi na iya kindorejo onto ugite ni polititi ya Kenya bonene.
Part of the difficulties in having national values is because we worship at the altar of tribal demigods. I want you to read a book by Koigi Wawamwere, Towards Genocide in Kenya, the Curse of Negative Ethnicity.
Lumumba ugweta Kenya nidirete kialuka no twika ndiguru ya kugauka nao kulukira misingi ya ruriyo ramuntu umite onto ugweta Kenya ibutonyete ni adirikari.
That's why you hear Murima. When I hear such, I feel pain. Mulembenesha. Mukamba kivindio. The Luo Jokanyana. Sisi Omogusi. Sisi wa Mijikenda. Sisi wa Somali. Tunabaguana kwa ukabila.
Wakili Lumumba nongele tena kuota barika buru anto ibate aniletie kinyandi ni chio na wetekiria manto yandi yario uamba.
All of you who are here, or most of you, are either Christians or Muslims. Those of you who are Christians, on the day that you are baptized, you remember that day when you said you reject the devil with all his works. Did you not say that? Did you? Did you? Did you not recite the 10 commandments from the first to the last? Does it not tell you not to steal? Don't you steal? Are we not one of the most corrupt countries in Africa with 80% Christians? So that today in Kenya, Christians treat the 10 commandments as 10 suggestions from God.